All right, apparently, watch them sticks. There's an old truck back here. We're gonna see if we can find it. Old truck. I think that's what he said. There was a truck somewhere back here. Question mark. This is full-on archaeology. Got my buddy, Master DBK. Full-on archaeology. Cool old windmill, though. We're gonna see if we can find this old truck. There, we got buildingage. Well, something's been through here. Let's just stay the trail. More buildings. I hope they own this property. Is it in the shed?
Same noise.
Oh, I see it. Oh man, that looks like 67-inch. Oh my giddy odd. Oh my giddy odd. Oh, heaven, heaven, heaven. This looks 67-inch. Oh my goodness. F-100. No way. Custom. Oh, please be 306, 306, 306. 306. Hey, would you film me opening this? All right, it's going. All right, I think this is a 67, maybe 68. Figure out how to open this hood, if we can even get it open. The chances.
Have you tried a crowbar?
Well, maybe. Maybe. There it is.
And this is why Brooks employs a woman.
Yeah. Hornet's nest. No. Oh, has it got a 289? Oh. No, that's a it's a 360. No way. This is a 360 small block, fellers, with factory air conditioning. And
yeah, it's factory.
Fram filter, so it has not been taken care of. Let's see what have we got for carburetor. Auto light, probably. Flyy things. Dirt dauber. 2-barrel. Is it stuck? Yeah, all the way. It might just be the linkage though. We could get this running. No question about it. It's a Ford. Have we got oil in it? Yeah, no water. Got gas in it though. Are you sure? Yeah. Actually not that bad though. Tastes okay. Ah, I'm guessing it had an overheating issue. Seeing as how thermostat housing has a hole in it. 360 Y block. I'll be dipped. It's got manual brakes on it. It's got dual tanks. Let's get in this thing. Hornet check. I'm stuck. 3 on the tree.
Hey, inside looks pretty good.
Interior actually is not bad. Horn works. Factory air. Oh, it even says factory air. I'll be dipped. Flashers. Brakes. Definitely not. Clutch. Oh, we might actually have a clutch. We do. Let's see. What is it? Well, take that back. Might be no clutch. Oh, wait. Reverse? First? Second? Guys, I think we actually have a clutch. I can't believe that. Windshield is mint. I mean, no cracks at all. Kind of getting the old musty grandma's closet smell. No brakes. Probably just master cylinders dry. Yeah, we definitely have a clutch. Alright, well that means if we got it started, we could probably just jam it in a gear and go do donuts. What have we got for options? All of them. Horn works, I'm sure, because that clock spring's okay. Is it turning the front wheels? Let's see.
No, the front wheels are non-existent.
Hang on. No. It's got factory-ish. You've got 360 Y block?
Oh yeah.
Is it what is it, 67?
That's the last good interstate battery. Is that 69? Find that plate now.
Yeah, probably 68, 69. But man, I would...
Let's go bang a few more.
Hang on, let me put the air cleaner back on. I would...
just leave it like that.
Okay, I would...
It ain't going anywhere, and I think the new owner guy, he said he had some risk, but if he doesn't come get it, he might just let you tow it off. I checked with all my gearhead friends. Nobody wanted a long veg full.